Today we're going to talk about masks. I'm not going to talk about if they're good or not or whatever. Well, maybe I'll talk a little bit about that. But my main point is, if you're going to wear a mask, sometimes it just helps you. It helps you to be hassled less and to just have an easier time in your life. So we have a mask on, and we're breathing bacteria and viruses into the mask, and we're breathing them back out and then back in. And it can become extremely, of course, it's always extremely humid and warm inside the mask, which is a perfect breeding ground for bacteria and viruses. So we're going to do something which is healthy for you in terms of what we're going to put on the mask is going to be healthy for you. And it's also going to be something which is antibacterial and antiviral. And it's going to be something which is going to make the mask smell a lot fresher for you. So the answer to all three of those things is essential oils. So most essential oils are in fact edible. Even if the label says they're not edible, the company's just covering their ass. Most essential oils are edible, especially orange, lemon. I mean, we can eat oranges and lemons, right? And then essential oils like tea tree oil, those also are edible, judging from some very good research from a naturopath in Australia that I was reading some of her research on herself and her clients and some of her good results. So if you put on tea tree oil inside your mask, then you're going to smell like a pine tree. If you like that, then cool. So I tend to use orange mostly. So you put enough on your finger to wet it, and then you rub it on the inside of the mask, the side against you, and then you can mask away to your heart's content. And then as the essential oil diminishes, it starts to smell like nothing. Then you can recharge with a little bit of essential oil. So ones that I've used before that I like a lot, besides lemon and orange, have also been cinnamon. Love cinnamon essential oil. And clove is very nice too. All right, guys, so hang in there.